up guys, just Bentley here again. Been a while since I've uploaded anything to my YouTube. Haven't owned a car in over a year, so I've been pretty boring lately. So just been playing a bunch of video games and messing around with my mining rigs. So anyway, I thought it was about time I got myself a car. Been wanting one of these for quite a while. So anyone got any bets on what I got? Leave them in the comments below, except no one will, because everyone probably already knows what I got. Anyway, this is my new car. So I just thought I'd give it a service before driving it home up to Brisbane. Came down to Melbourne to see my nephews and stuff over Christmas, and ended up buying a car. So yeah, here it is. To take care of right away is get rid of these Windrun tyres, front and rear. Not quite sure who would do such a thing. I mean, maybe put them on a Mustang or something, but definitely wouldn't be putting them on a R35. Pretty standard, just came with a titanium exhaust from the dump all the way to the back. And it definitely has cat converters, 100% does have cat converters. Nice try, EPA, not this time, buddy. She's a premium model, so it comes with the red interior, the slightly reddish interior. Condition's pretty good for its age, a bit dusty. Could do with a bit of a cleanup. All get done in time, bloody dusty in there. Screen is straight out of like 2008, bloody, I don't know, 640 by 480 display resolution. Anyway, gets the job done. Yeah, so anyway guys, that's the new car. Gonna change that stanky old oil out for some fresh Penrite and go for a bit of a drive later this afternoon. Jack the car up, safety third. Look, the downside to not having a full workshop at my disposal as per usual is I'm working out of a waterproofing fucking shed. Ignore the angle grinder, the fucking builder's claw hammer, the shifter to try and undo an oil filter, the G-clamp to actually undo the oil filter, the shitty super tool oil filter claw, which was too big to actually get onto the filter claw. No bloody snap-on build quality there. And also, fuck the dickhead that did this oil filter up so tight. We had to fuck it because we didn't have the right tools. And it's the wrong oil filter, you dickhead. And just make sure that you don't double seal the oil filter because you'll look like a fucking idiot.
So anyway guys, in true YouTuber fashion, forgot to film an outro. Anyway, did the oil change, did a few rolling shots with Kester, Kesara Media, did some mad rollers, so they'll probably be in the video somewhere, wherever Kester decides to edit them in, because he's my little bitch and edits all my videos, because I am retard. Anyway, yeah, that's all for today guys. Not sure if I'll be actually driving it home to Brisbane or if I'll just be getting it transported and driving my daily. But yeah, anyway, so like and subscribe, smash the fucking bell, all that gay
fucking punch the subscribe button. Just fist it. Just fist the subscribe button.
Yeah.